Welcome to Quarry Road number 6. Quarry as a mine-related name. Quarry Road has a couple of houses, and this is number 6. The yellow car is from the neighbor number 4 that isn't built yet. But in Quarry Road number 6, the cozy little red house, we have 3 inhabitants. Lars to the left, who works in the store in the mine village. Carmen, a child with a teddy bear, and Torben, who works at the hotel as a receptionist. So these 3 people lives nearby the work and in the mine village. The cabin or cottage or house is quite a classic one here in the mine village. It had a sister house that is quite the same but with basement. But this house is just enough for 3 people living in these cold conditions. You can lift it up and you can see the things underneath the house, using different color bricks to yellow isn't that common used, so I use that to places where it can't be seen. The house is quite big, and the roof is a creation that comes along to other houses as well. Brick built roof with white to manage snow. And here you can see inside they have a fireplace, some tables and plants, and here I think it's Lars and Carmen who stands up, and the things will represent the house. Well, we say goodbye to the family at Quarry Road number 6.